G'day Goanna fans, and welcome to another episode of Eat Yourself Thin. I tell you what, today I am hungry. I am so hungry. So what we're going to do today is make a feed that you can eat as much of as you want and just stuff your face completely. We're going to do a warm prawn salad. Now down here we've got everything we need except for the prawns, which are still chilling. We've got some sweet corn, tuna, cucumber, zucchini, carrots, capsicum, snow peas, shallots, ginger, garlic, Spanish onions, and of course with our rosemary, our parsley, our thyme, and our oregano. So let's get to it. Before we get to that though, see, now I haven't been on a date in a very long time. When I say a long time, I'm probably talking about 10 years or so. But the last couple of weeks I've actually been feeling pretty good. I went and bought some new clothes, got a haircut. What do you reckon? We're now the end of month 5. Now, if you remember from our last video, I got a little bit stuck halfway through it because at the end of last month I weighed 109 kilos. And then 2 weeks after that I still weighed 109 kilos. So I got myself in a bit of a tizzy. And thought, oh no, what should I do? But what I failed to take into account that I'd actually gone down a belt size. So what it was just bulking up and I didn't have to worry. So now at the end of the month, we're actually down to 102. So you can either look at that as losing 7 kilos for the month, which I probably will, or you can look at losing 7 kilos in the last 2 weeks. Either way, still very, very happy. So I went out, got myself some new clothes, got myself a new haircut, and even managed to line myself up a date. But lo and behold, they cancelled. So I remade it, and they cancelled again. And you know what? It just made me hungry. And I don't know if you guys get the same thing, but it just made me want to eat and eat and eat. So that's what we made to think of doing this dish. This is the perfect dish for if you just want to eat. It's also perfect for if you're one of those people that like your frozen meals, or you like your food in the fridge ready to go. This will keep in the fridge and you can just grab it at any time and it's good to go. You don't make it all up at the start of the week and eat your way through it. Maybe substitute the prawns for a bit of salmon, something like that, and it'll be fantastic. Alright, now let's get to it. Now, to start with this one, like I said it's a warm prawn salad, but it's not a hot one. So, some of these vegetables taste better fresh, some of them taste better cooked. So we're actually going to do a bit of half and half and then mix it together. So take our onions first. We're going to start by grabbing all our vegetables that need to go into the pan. We'll just speed this up quickly. So what we're throwing into the pan is our Spanish onions, our zucchini, our carrots, and our garlic. Oh, and of course the snow peas. Right, so we're throwing in our onion, our zucchini, and what else did we put in there? God, it was like 30 seconds ago, you guys must remember. I should remember. Onion, zucchini, and carrot, of course. Now there's snow peas to go in as well, but you know, they're not going to take as long, so we won't worry about those just yet. And next we want a separate bowl, and we're going to start on our fresh vegetables. And into this one, we want our cucumber, our herbs, your favourite tuna, some sweet corn, capsicum, and your shallots. Oh, and of course the ginger. Now we put the ginger in raw into this section because if you're grabbing it out of the fridge, this ginger is going to give it a wonderful heat, so the food will still be warm even when it's out of the fridge. So as with all your herbs, just grab the leaves, pull them backwards, and they all fall straight off. I guess a lot of people don't use fresh herbs because it is slightly more time consuming, but it's just so easy straight out of the garden. And time's probably the most fiddly, and you can see how quickly that comes now. The oregano. Same, just pull all the leaves backwards, they all fall straight off. You'll notice I did the ginger first, and I suppose there was quite a lot of ginger, but ginger is just so good for your cholesterol, especially if it's high like mine. Well, at least it was. That it's a healthy choice, at least for me, to have a bit extra. To be honest, I am feeling fantastic with this new diet. I mean, it's supposed to be a 6-month program, but it may be a new life choice, I'm thinking. I mean, I have no cravings for rubbish food at all. When last night, when I just went silly and just ate everything, you know, even then it was corn on the cob. What did I have? It was corn on the cob, yogurt and walnuts, a cup of soup, bananas, strawberries. So even though I did go a bit nuts and eat about 3 meals worth, I mean, it's still all good healthy food, which is something my body can process and deal with happily. And considering it was the night before the weigh-in, I'm still pretty happy with the weight loss for this month. I've still got a little bit of a tummy, as you can see. Bad camera angle. But you can see it's still a bit of a tummy. But compared to what it used to be, and sometimes that's what you got to do. If you look in the mirror and goes, geez, I'm a fat bastard, I can't believe all this effort and I'm still fat. Show yourself a photo of what you used to look like and how far you've come. And it will really help out your mood. Okay, so that's our herbs done. I did those on the board after the garlic just so they would soak up all that juice from the garlic. You don't think of garlic juice, but not garlic, ginger. Gee, I'm having trouble with my words today. or the ginger. Okay, meanwhile, all our cooked veggies have been frying away. We're just going to put those straight onto the top. And when we mix this through, this is what's going to give you your warm salad. And then straight in the same pan, we're going to drop all our prawns. Hey, darling.
Hey, Daddy.
So we just give this a quick stir. Serve it up and drop the prawns on top, and we're all done. And there we go, one delicious warm prawn salad. And the best thing about that is you can have as many bowls as you want. Eat, be happy, be fed, and enjoy your food. Eat yourself thin, and I will see you next month. Good luck with your results. So good.